Together with Siemens, we are democratizing AI. We are bringing AI to multiple industries, enabling enhancements in design and product engineering. Today, I am spending time with Siemens President and CEO Roland Busch and Uli Humann, Corporate Vice President of Microsoft, to explore best practices to unlock the potential of AI.
This whole thing is real, and it's just the start. The more they are trained, and the more data they are trained, the increment of incremental knowledge of these models is leveling out. But then starts the training and tuning on proprietary data, which makes another boost, makes a huge difference. So you might have a way to exchange large language models and swap to another one. But once you start tuning them on data, they make really the impact in the real world.
What do you think are the key challenges that still remain in the industry?
So from a challenge perspective, I think it's just the pace is overwhelming a lot of people, where it's like every day there's a new thing coming around, a new model, a new agent, a new whatever capability. Everybody's like, okay, when do I start? Where do I start? And I think the guidance is very simple. We need to live AI ourselves. We need to be convicted, and we are going to invest. But really think about the use cases up front, and don't think about the number of AI use cases, but think about the value of the use cases. And once you have leadership, once you have really valuable use cases, you can start to think about how do I drive investments? Because AI does cost money. And the money is not just for GPUs or models, it's also for skilling of the people.
For Siemens, you were an early mover. Not only as a company, you actually leverage AI internally, but also as a solution provider.
So the trick is that you, first place, think about once you have a good concept of a solution, make it plug and play. Secondly is get partners on board which help you stitch it together on the shop floor, because I cannot do the last mile wherever I go. But thirdly, and that's also something what we can learn, is how can I monetize by selling via platform, digital, so that you have a marketplace where customers can inform themselves digitally and they can transact and buy. AI technology changes, and I'm always saying that, and we do that as we speak, changes the operating system of companies, as does it for ours. And again, this is something you have to have in mind end to end, and then it works. And it's a transformational work.